Welcome to this video number 5, the most important autoresponder sequences that you might actually need in your business. And of course, there are a lot more autoresponder sequences, but these 5 are some of the most important ones. Hi, I'm Irelena, email copywriter, and today I'll be speaking with you about the abandoned cart sequence. And this sequence is part of your e-commerce or your product-based store or service store, and it's like putting a human in front of your customers to let them know that they forgot to push the button to purchase your product or service. You're basically telling your audience that you're there to help them in case they need any help, and you're letting your customers understand what they need to do in a way that you're pushing them to continue with their purchase. You can say something like, "Hi, I noticed that you were interested in purchasing this product, but you might not be ready yet. Well, the price is $30 with free shipping." Or you can say something like, "Hi, are you still looking for something? Let me know if you have any questions. We're here to help." So some types of emails that you can include when it comes to your product autoresponder sequences include an email letting your customer know that their cart has products in them and that they're still available, so they have to hurry up and check out before somebody purchases them. Or an email letting them know that there's free shipping or a discount code with their purchase, or an email letting them know that they can purchase any other product with their current effort. And the more items that are in the cart, the better discounts that they will receive. You can also send an email about testimonials saying, "I noticed that you're looking at this item, so I wanted to let you know what other people who have purchased this have said." Or an email about the benefits of your product or services. "Wouldn't it be great if we talked about how much we love our products? These are some of the benefits." Or you can just say, "Hey, I'm here to help you." So typically there's 3 to 5 emails that can get your customers to come back to the cart, but you don't want to overwhelm them too much, of course. And you also want to keep in mind that this sequence should be personalized to your customers' preferences and needs to help them make up their minds when it comes to purchasing something from your store. With an autoresponder series like this, there are many different combinations of emails that will create even more sales opportunities. So you want to start by focusing on people that you know that the products are still waiting for them, and you really want to be genuine, and you want to make sure that you offer advice when it comes to making this buying decision. You want them to be happy. So you want to erase any objections that people might have and when it comes to purchasing this product. So thank you for watching. I am Miri Lenov, email copywriter, and I will see you next time in our next video. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.